Hello, and welcome to our new video. Dash cams are growing in popularity among drivers because they provide crucial evidence of a collision or other incident on the road. These small, unnoticed cameras can be installed on the dashboard or windshield of a vehicle to capture footage of the road ahead. Also, they can capture any activities taking place within the car. With so many options available, choosing the right dash cam for your needs can be challenging. So get ready as we review the 5 best dash cams in this video. The links of these cameras are mentioned in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and let us know if you liked the video. Number 5. Garmin Dash Cam 57. Garmin 57 is a high-quality dashboard camera with a durable design that can resist direct sunlight and hot internal temperatures. It records videos in QHD resolution at 30fps, providing clear, in-depth footage of your driving experience. It has a wide-angle lens with a 140-degree field of view that captures a broad view of the road ahead, ensuring you won't miss any important details. The camera's incident detection feature automatically saves footage of an incident when it detects a collision. With built-in GPS, the recorded videos are stamped with location and time details. The saved videos are uploaded automatically over Wi-Fi to a secure online vault, so you can view and share them later. Garmin 57 also supports voice commands, allowing you to operate the camera hands-free. Its parking guard feature uses motion detection to start recording when it detects movement around your parked vehicle. Moreover, the camera comes with driver alerts to warn you of potential hazards, such as lane departures or forward collisions. Its travel apps feature allows capturing long drives or scenic routes in a condensed format, making sharing your journey with others easy. Finally, it comes with a 16 GB microSD card and supports up to 64 GB cards. Number 4. Nexbase 622G. Another best dash cam on our list is the Nexbase 622G. It is a compact device having a 3-inch IPS touchscreen. It can record videos in 4K Ultra HD at 30fps with a viewing angle of 140 degrees, which offers clear and detailed footage of your surroundings. The camera also offers optional slow-motion recording in QHD at 60fps and FHD at 120fps. The rear camera module comes with a cable that can be easily connected to the main unit of the dash cam. It can record videos in FHD at 30fps. The device is equipped with an upgraded Sony sensor and larger pixels, providing superior night vision, even in low-light conditions. Also, the camera automatically detects light levels and enhances the image quality to get the best possible recordings in low-light environments. Moreover, its extreme weather mode uses inbuilt algorithms to provide good quality footage during foggy conditions. It features advanced image stabilization, which helps reduce camera shake and produce smoother, more stable video footage. Its emergency SOS feature enables the device to automatically notify emergency services of your location in case of an accident or collision. Also, with what 3 words integration, you can share your precise global location description with just 3 words, making it easier for emergency services or friends to find you quickly. The 622G is integrated with Amazon Alexa, allowing you to control the device, play music, make phone calls, get directions, and more with voice commands. Number 3. Kingslim D4. Kingslim D4 features 2 cameras, one facing the front and the other facing the rear of your car. While the rear camera can only record in FHD resolution, the front camera can record videos in Ultra HD 4K. A 170-degree front wide-angle lens and a 150-degree rear glass fixed focus lens allow you to capture a wide field of view and minimize the number of blind spots. Its front camera has a wider field of view compared to the Garmin Dash Cam 57 and Nexbase 622G. Kingslim D4 has a 3-inch IPS touchscreen display. Its advanced Sony sensor, Silicon processor, DODDR technology, and f1.8 aperture lens work together for better image effect and recording clear video footage in low-light conditions. Its built-in GPS records real-time speed and driving routes in videos. It features a G sensor that automatically detects collisions and locks the currently playing video to prevent overwriting. That ensures you have a clear record of any accidents or incidents. The dash cam also supports loop recording that automatically overwrites the oldest footage when the memory card is full, ensuring you always have the latest footage. The built-in Wi-Fi lets you connect the dash cam with the Kingslim app to directly adjust settings and download videos. Its 24-hour parking monitoring feature turns on and starts recording video when a collision occurs. Finally, it supports up to 256 GB microSD card, while the Garmin 57 only supports up to 64 GB microSD card. Number 2. Rove R3. Rove R3 is a compact and high-quality dash cam. This 3-channel camera has a 3-inch IPS touchscreen. Its front camera can capture videos in 4K UHD at 30 fps. If you want front and cabin recording, it can capture videos in QHD and FHD at 30 fps. And in the case of 3-channel recording, you can expect recordings in QHD, FHD, and FHD at 30 fps. The front-facing camera has a wide viewing angle of 150 degrees, while the rear and inside cameras have wide-angle lenses of 140 degrees. Rove R3 has a built-in GPS that records your location, speed, and route. The built-in G sensor detects sudden shocks or impacts and automatically locks the current video to prevent overwriting. Also, it features loop recording, meaning it overwrites the oldest footage when the memory card is full. The camera is equipped with advanced night vision technology with an f1.4 aperture lens, which enables it to capture clear footage even in low-light conditions. For cabin camera recording in darkness, there are 4 hidden IR LEDs. Other features include voice guidance, built-in image stabilization, time-lapse video, and more. Dual-band built-in Wi-Fi allows super-fast transfer speed. The always-on Wi-Fi allows users to view videos on their smartphones via the Rove Dash Cam app. Rove R3 is powered by a supercapacitor instead of a lithium-ion battery for safety in both extreme cold and hot weather conditions. Finally, it supports up to 512 GB microSD card. Number 1. Vantrue N4. The Vantrue N4 is a high-quality dash camera with a range of features. It also has 3 cameras, front, inside, and rear. These cameras can work together to monitor your car's interior, front, and rear. The front-facing camera has a 155-degree wide-angle lens, whereas the inside and rear cameras have 165 and 160-degree wide-angle lenses. If all cameras work together, the front and rear cameras can record videos in QHD, while the inside camera can record in FHD. If the front and rear cameras work together, the front can record in 4K UHD, and the rear can record in FHD. And in the case of front and inside cameras, the video capture resolution for both will be QHD. All cameras work at 30 fps. The Starvis CMOS sensor, front f1.4 aperture lens, and rear f1.8 lens allow the camera to increase exposure automatically in dark environments for clear video footage. Moreover, 4 IR LED lights face the interior to capture the passengers in complete darkness. The dash cam has a built-in G sensor, which detects abrupt movements or impacts. To prevent it from being overwritten, the camera will immediately store the recording in a different file. It records footage in a continuous loop, overwriting older clips as necessary. Also, its 24-hour parking mode activates the camera when it detects motion or impact while your car is parked. That can help to capture any incidents that occur when you are not around. The best thing about this dash cam is that it is powered by a supercapacitor. It keeps the camera working during extreme hot or cold weather conditions. Finally, it has a 2.45-inch display and storage support of up to 256 GB. Thanks for watching. Check in price description below.